Well, let's discuss those Pittsburgh Steelers on second down, B-Mac. They moved to 3-1 atop the AFC North with a victory over the Ravens. But everyone is talking about a little blow-up on the sideline from Antonio Brown. He didn't have his best game, and on one play, he was wide open downfield. Ben Roethlisberger did not look his way. Big Ben, the QB, responding today on the Cook and Pony show in Pittsburgh.
I told him on the sideline, maybe just come talk to me. Ask me what happened. Tell me that you were open. You know, Heath Miller, if that was Heath Miller, I'd probably ask Heath on the sideline, hey, Heath, were you open? He'd probably tell me no, because he wouldn't want you to feel bad. That's just who he was. And I wish that he would have just come talk to me and tell me, hey, Ben, I killed him on display, whatever. That goes a lot further than throwing a temper tantrum. AB is the best receiver in the world, maybe one of the best to ever play the game. And I like to think that, him and I together maybe are one of the best quarterback wide receiver combos that have ever played the game. So I don't know that he needs to react that way. I said this to him. I'm not saying anything that I haven't told him and talked to him about. And we've had private conversations, and I'm not trying to call AB out, but I just think that, this is causing a distraction that none of us really need.
All right, some pretty pointed words there from Big Ben Roethlisberger. We've heard Mike Tomlin echo similar sentiments with Antonio Brown. Got to keep us cool a little bit. B-Mac, is there any level of concern that this may be a distraction for the Steelers?
No level of concern for me. Mike Tomlin talked about it. Big Ben talked about it yesterday on his radio show. And the thing I love about what Big Ben said, what I'm telling you guys is the same conversation I had with AB. I'm not calling him out because by Big Ben saying that, he's taking that out of the equation. Right. So now we're not, I don't have to talk about, is Big Ben calling out AB for his antics on the sideline? Big Ben said, I'm not calling out Antonio. What I'm telling you guys, I told him. We had this conversation. So we understand we're on the same page. So this will not be a distraction. They will move on and over this. I do not expect to see any more of that, any more of those antics from Antonio or any other offensive player on the sideline, because this is a very, very experienced ball club. They understand what they have in front of them as far as the task and the journey. They're willing to embrace that. They do not need to have anything outside of what's important, which is winning ball games and getting prepared to take care of elite ball clubs.
Antonio's got just one touchdown through 4 weeks. His production a little bit down relative to his standard that he set the last few years, but the Steelers are winning games. They're 3-1 atop that AFC North.